Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you unboxing and first look of a new CRKT that I had the opportunity to check out. Uh, Firstly, let me thank to my friend JR who has um, generously lended this one to me so that I can make unboxing and show it to you, my YouTube friends here. So this will be the newer offering from CRKT with the frame lock iteration of frame lock version of the legendary M16 line. So this will be the M16-03BK, which is obviously a Carson design. And this one has a really nice, beautiful anodization on the steel. Okay, so let me give you the specifications. So the designer is Kit Carson, legendary knife maker, and the overall length is 21 centimeters, 8.3 inches. We have a blade length of 9.1 centimeters or 3.6 inches. The cutting edge will be 8.7 or 3.4 inches. The blade width is 2.1 centimeter or 0.8 inches. The thickness is 2.8 millimeters or 0.11 inches. The handle is 11.8 centimeters or 4.6 inches long, and the thickness is 9.2 millimeters or 0.36 inches. So on the blade we have the new steel that CRKT is using. So basically in the past they have used AUS 8, and now we are getting Sandvik 12C27. This is a beautiful Spearpoint design. On the blade we have the model number, Carson design. On the side we have CRKT. The handles are made out of stainless steel, which is beautifully bronzed finished, or bronzed anodized, or maybe it is some kind of coating, I would say. We have a frame lock, like I mentioned on the start. No automatic locks or any kind of locks locking system, which the previous versions had. The weight is 102 grams or 3.6 ounces. So really nice and lightweight. And the overall design, since all the previous models had these speed holes or lightning holes, also the frame locks sports them, so that cuts off the weight significantly. Nice detail that also the screws are anodized or colored. I don't know, maybe this is some kind of PVD finish. I could not find it on the website, so if anybody knows what kind of finishing they're using, on the blade we have probably some kind of Teflon coating, so that this significantly helps with the corrosion resistance of the knife. The clip point is nicely four-way positionable, so everybody can find his preferred choice of carry. This is how I really like to see these EDC or knives that are not only safe queuings or for sitting on a shelf or taking pictures made, because you will see that the one who designed this, Kit Carson, really wanted to give the community or the world a knife that is usable in any situations, and user can choose how he would like to carry it. Okay, so let's see the sharpness out of the box. Really nice and sharp. The pivot assembly, it rides on Teflon and bronze washers. Let me show you the pocket profile. So this is excellent because this is smooth. It will go inside the pocket without any problems, and this is how much it will stick out. Okay, so now let me show you the size comparisons. So previously I shared on the video about the M16, which is the larger one with the 10 toe and only blasted blade. So here's the size difference. And this was the M16-04SS. Okay, let's continue on the 710. Another excellent design from Benchmade. Let's see, here's the paramilitary 2. Here's another excellent knife from Cold Steel. This is the Recon 1, the Spearpoint version of it. Large Griptilian from Benchmade. Benchmade Bug Out. QSP Penguin. CVV Elementum. CGRB Feldspar large one. Here is the red model 1. Kaiserberg Lighter 2. Spyderco Endura. Spyderco Delica. .940 from Benchmade. Kershaw Blur. Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dorsal Folding Hunter. So it took me almost 10 years to come full circle back and have one of these again in my hands. So yeah, there are just too many knives coming out these days and these months and these years. So yeah, it can take a while when I get the opportunity to check out. But it is really excellent to see that CRKT is still producing after so many years this excellent line of knives, and I really appreciate this design because it is a really nice slim carry with this new iteration with the frame lock. I was a little bit curious about why they did not go with something like titanium, like there was a version 10 years ago that I got. Those were a liner lock. Sorry, a liner lock with titanium overlays. So I don't know why they discontinued that model. But anyways, no locks is in my book only plus, because let's face it, those auto lock systems just went in the way when you wanted to close the knife really fast. And yeah, for the pivot assembly, I see that as a huge plus. You don't have any kind of problems. The knife will be less maintenance, it will be needing more or less maintenance, because you will have no problems with the washers while carrying the knife. It will not accumulate that much grime and dust and particles, so you won't have to take it apart and clean it. So Mr. Carson made really sure of that this design is a really excellent EDC option for you. So this knife will go to his owner back, and I would like appreciate helping out JR and borrowing this knife to me. This is a beautiful EDC carry. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much. A big thumbs up to you. And if not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear, and plus some other stuff regarding my hobbies. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon.